it's bedtime and all of a sudden your toddler or child gets a sudden burst of energy. They're jumping around, they're laughing, they are flat out refusing to go to sleep. This isn't rebellion, this is biology. What is happening here, especially if you have an overtired child, this sudden energy is a cortisol surge. It's the stress hormone fighting to keep them awake. And to a small child, bedtime can often mean separation. It's the longest part of the day that they go without seeing you, and sleep feels like been alone for a long time, and alone for a child can feel unsafe. So this is where the breath comes in. And with the body can make a massive, massive difference. So I use this with so many parents of toddlers, and they notice a massive impact. So when we help our kids reconnect with their bodies, they can move from that tension and high surge of cortisol into calm and safety. And that's the space where sleep can happen naturally. So by using simple movements like shaking or stretching or doing a body scan, we're helping them complete this stress cycle. This then sends a message to the brain, I'm safe now. And that feeling of safety and the science of it, it activates the vagus nerve. It will lower the heart rate of the child, reducing cortisol and allowing breathing to slow. So I'm going to bring you through what I work with my own kids, and I work with families on that their toddlers all of a sudden, and they're probably overtired, there's elements of this as well, but they often get that surge of energy. So here's what you can start tonight. So it's bedtime, you've done your lovely bedtime routine and it might be calm, or your toddler might be jumping around the place. Have them lie in bed and have them lie down. And if they're comfortable to do so, you can get them to close their eyes. If they're not comfortable to close their eyes, that's absolutely fine. Just have them look in front of them. And what I want you to do is you're going to gently guide them from their toes all the way up to their eyes. So what you're going to do is you are going to get them to focus on their toes. And what you can start to say what you're going to do is you're going to focus on each part of the body, and you're going to get them to squeeze each part of their body. So squeezing in for 3, for 2, for 1, and letting go. But we're going to start at our toes and make our way all the way up. So starting with the toes, you say, okay, squeeze your toes for 3, for 2, for 1, and then let go. And now get them to squeeze their legs. So now squeeze your legs for 3, for 2, for 1, and then let go. And now your tummy. So squeeze in your tummy really, really tight for 3, for 2, for 1, and then let go. And now make it to their hands, and again, get them to squeeze their hands. Squeeze, 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 squeeze for 3, for 2, for 1, and then let go. And then get them to squeeze their shoulders and lift their shoulders up and really squeeze for 3, for 2, for 1, and let go. And then finally get them to squeeze their eyes. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze for 3, for 2, for 1, and then let go. By keeping your voice calm and slow, this will help them feel calm and help them feel connected. And it's not by being perfect in how you do it, but it will allow them feel connected. And as you finish, you'll notice their body softening. You'll probably notice your body softening a little bit as well. And you'll notice their breath slowing down and their energy settling. And it will really help your toddler feel calmer and feel safer and more ready for sleep. And then after you do that, what you can do is you can get them to breathe in 3 times. So get them to breathe in and really blow all the way out. And then get them to breathe in again. And then all the way out. And then in again. And then all the way out. And this will help them release that cortisol surge and really help to calm their body and make them ready for sleep, but also feel more connected with you and more safe. So try this tonight. As I said, I work with lots of families on this, and I have really, really positive feedback, both for the kids, but for the parents as well, in just kind of creating that more calming environment, and especially taking a toddler or an overchild that is wired, that has lots of energy, from that high level of energy to nice and calmness, and then naturally helping them to fall asleep.